Well, we're here at the Wolf Creek Winery in Norton, Ohio, and this is the Akron Canton Bonsai Society's third exhibition here at the winery. The winery has been real receptive in promoting our trees and social media and elsewhere, and we've had lots of visitors today on a gorgeous June afternoon. And it's set up as a bonsai walkway kind of format. You come over here toward the exhibit, and coming into our exhibit this year, we're greeted by our club logo and this wonderful trident forest and a spectacular lodgepole vine. Wow, lots of shape, nice abstract shapes in the tree.
So I have a pot in the backyard about that being around. It's got both
beautiful wood. And then over to the right, a small display here, the Scots pine and the ginkgo forest, and kind of an abstract arborvitae. And to the right, the next section, kind of a cool threesome grouping. This is a Concord grape. Left the weed in this one, the cascading weed. Lots of trunk movement. The big Scots pine with the little erodium counterplant. And one of Ken's azaleas. And a small companion plant. And then in the corner, another grouping. The azalea in the center. Big bright Japanese azalea. Some great blossoms on it. And a tamarack, arch. Stop on the seedling. And a big Scots pine. A stump. It's a good wood on that one too. Along the back, centerpiece, a nice tropical. Alright, starting down the center of the exhibit, we have this beautiful lodgepole pine again. With all the abstract shapes to it. And a wonderful bark coming up to greet the guests. And down on the right, taxus and the Shimpaku azalea. Procumbus, and another azalea in bloom still. Chinese elm, got the hollow trunk in there. Little ficus forest, and the spruce. Fantastic boxwood. And then coming on the end, a little grapevine from the winery itself, cutting from there. And tropicals. And hornbeam. Nice looking little trunk. And coming around, the Brazilian rain tree. Small white pine. With the sweet. Another taxus, and a tropical, big tropical. Root planting, the azalea from the opposite side, and a dawn redwood. And then on the opposite side, we have this fantastic old juniper. A lot of trunk interest. it. Looking sweet. A couple small companion plants. The juniper actually has a lot of really good angles to it. A lot of dead sections and live living wood. Nice view of the exhibit from the corner. And down the last side, 1 second. Japanese black pine from a club project. And a boxwood, an old boxwood. It's a dead wood on it. Rain tree. And a group of tropicals. Rock plantings, little succulents. Parrot's beak. And another nice corner view of the exhibit. A really fine day here at the winery.
But then they got their own church name.